and death. People come and go. It's part of our destiny.
You ever have someone you care about just leave your life? Whether sudden or it's coming and you can't breathe right. The first time I was 10 when I endured that pain. My friend's dad was shot in front of my face, I saw a brain. She was 9, she was crushed, she was mine, I had a crush. Then she moved out of state, her mom's abandoned her. I knew this kid in middle school who refused to make friends, cause his dad was military, they'd be moving again. It's the passing of a grandparent, mom or dad, or a child, take advantage of the times we have. It's divorce, it's death, it's the lost regrets. But for every loss we find something more to connect. There's a plan, though we don't always know what it is. Like my friend who got married but wife he couldn't have kids. Then his mom passed away, we were stunned and torn. 9 months later, their son was born. This is our destiny, what is meant to be will be. It's out of our hands, part of the plan. Respect time we have, enjoy the show, because people come and go. And when they go, they're missed. Whether old or kids, it's the memories we make, it's that ownership. It's the unknown fear, it's the fear we know when our people come and go.
We're trapped in a race against time. I guess it's some of us are running slower. You never know when the Grim Reaper might be coming over. A boy watches older brother go become a soldier, die overseas. Now he barely sees his mother sober. His father left her, he don't know if he should love or loathe her. He wishes pops would just show up with a dozen roses. Him and cousin Joseph jumping on the fucking sofa, screaming out the window at the city while they're chugging sodas, laughing, not fully grasping or grappling with truth. Smoking grass, hanging on the corner, tackling their youth. Absentee parents and violence is everywhere. Chaos and loss around them, but their eyes never tear. They shared private stock, bitches, Hennessy, fistfights and enemies. They shared the same pain, same blood and same memories. They was everything that was clear but wasn't said, till he shows up at the crib and finds his cousin dead.
This is our destiny, what is meant to be will be. It's out of our hands, part of the plan. Respect time we have, enjoy the show, because people come and go. And when they go, they're missed. Whether old or kids, it's the memories we make, it's that ownership. It's the unknown fear, it's the fear we know when our people come and go.